Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So today we have got a very interesting casting. As you can see, it's a 2019 Toyota 4Runner, but then it's not a stock 4Runner, modified. And I'm here to tell you if you should get this one or not. If you haven't got it already, you might want to stick and watch this video. So let's open it up, have a quick look, and then we will go forward from that. So the very first thing you will notice is this silver paint, and I think it suits the 4Runner because you see a lot of them in this paint. Now we're starting from the front. In the front you can see there are a lot of good details. Obviously you've got detailed headlamp, Toyota badge, and then both the mirrors, windshield wipers. Also something you will notice that it's heavily modified. If you look there, you can see a different bumper. It's not a standard bumper which you get with the 4Runner, and it's modified to go off-road, so it's like trimmed down here, and there are a lot of different like features you can see which you normally see on the modified off-road vehicles. Let me move it to the driver's side, and I think that will be more visible from there. Now on the driver's side there are obviously some nicer details too, but let's focus on the front from here. So you can see this bull bar, so it's there, so if you are going downhill it stops your car from obviously hitting the ground and stops from like toppling over too, so it won't roll over. Now on the driver's side you can see a lot of good details. Those wheel and tire setup look really nice. Obviously it's plastic since it's a main line. The B pillar is in the plastic part, not in the metal. I kind of would have liked if it was at least tinted rather than all black, which makes it look weird. Obviously no side steps because again it's modified for off-roading, and then door handles and everything is there, but they're not painted black. And I'm not sure if the wheel flares are body colored on the older ones. Newer ones are, so might be body colored, that's why you can see them, but then they're body colored. Now moving to the back. So again, a lot of good details in the back. You can see tail lamps are detailed. You've got the 4Runner badge, you got Toyota badge, TRD, and rear bumper again is modified. It's not the standard one, so you can see it's shorter, and you can also see there are like cutouts for steps on the side, both the sides, and looks like there are recovery hooks right there. So a lot of good details on like front and rear. Passenger side looks almost identical. I'm not sure if Matchbox intentionally didn't put the fuel filler or they missed it, because there's no fuel filler on either side. And I'm very sure this 4Runner is gas only, not electric one. You might be wondering about this, so let's look at it. So there's a big roof rack, and obviously it's like if you're going off-roading or camping, you need roof rack to put your all stuff there. Now you can see there's interior is there, like, but because of the very high black tint it's not really visible. If you look closely you can see there is interior. If I move my hand right, you can see seats and everything is there, so it's not missing interior. It's just a very heavy dark black tint on it. And this is how the base looks. A few details, as you can see, differential. Apart from that there are not a lot of details here. Now obviously it's good mainline casting, I won't go away from that. So the question, should you buy it if you already have a 4Runner? Absolutely yes. This is a very nice casting, and if you're someone who can add a little bit more details, this will be even better with some added details. Only thing I would have loved if they added a snorkel here, like I think you have one on the Tacoma, so if they added it here would have made it look proper off-road ready vehicle. But even without that it looks really nice casting, and I think yes, you should get one. It doesn't matter if you have one already or if you don't, it's a good one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.